Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim has yet to discuss the formation of his cabinet with Pakatan Harapan component parties, according to Amanah President Mat Sabu. Muhammad, who is Kota Raja MP, said although discussions have yet to be held, the cabinet would be formed as soon as possible, Sinar Harian reported. He was quoted as saying that it was up to the Prime Minister to decide on ministerial positions, adding that he did not know if he would be in the cabinet. Muhammad, also known as Mat Sabu, was Defence Minister in the PH administration after the coalition assumed power in 2018. PH comprises PKR, DAP, Amanah and Sabah-based UPCO with Anwar as the coalition's chairman.